Hello everybody! Welcome to Tutorialex. Today I'm going to teach you how to configure your joystick for play games in Project64 1.7 emulator. I know it's an emulator, but it's useful when you don't have money to pay for a Nintendo 64 because in that time it was so expensive. So the first thing you need to have is the program, obviously, and a joystick. When you have the program, please open it and go to options and then input plugin. Oh! A new window appeared. Well, we can find the picture of a Nintendo 64 controller. And we will use that for control our joystick. First, you need to stay sure if your joystick are working, and you can see that in that space. None and USB network joystick. The USB network joystick is my joystick, the joystick I connected. I will choose that. And then we need to configure our joystick. Here is the digital pad. You know, all the different options have a special name. Digital pad are that. Analog stick is that. C buttons are these 4 yellow buttons. B button is the green one. A button is the blue one. The start button is the red one. L trigger, R trigger, and the Z trigger is under the analog stick. Let's configure. First, you need to make click in setup and start to configure the digital pad. Up, down, left, right. The analog stick. Up, down, left, right. The C buttons. Up, down, left, right. The B button. The A button, the start button, the Z button, the Alt trigger button, the R trigger button. By the way, you can configure your joystick in the way you want. It's not a necessity to configure the same way to the Nintendo 64. All have different preferences in the order to buttons. So I'm going to show you how the joystick is working, and for that I will choose Super Smash Bros. I like too much Super Smash Bros. Oh no, sorry about it. I think I will fix that with meditation. Or maybe not. Well, it's not very important. Well, I will... Alright. Press start, okay. Oh! I pressed start and the joystick is working! So after that I will have a little fight with someone to show you that my joystick is working. I love so much this game. And to that fight I choose Jigglypuff and my enemy will be carried in random. Oh, Saffron City. So, look at that. 3, 2, 1. And Jigglypuff. And look at that. All the buttons are working. Excellent. I won. Oh, well. It is the end of my video tutorial. Now you are ready to fight and have a good game with your joystick. Please enjoy the game. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day. Goodbye.